Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. My name is Joanne Balangkit Sorbito, 30 years old. I'm married. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the youngest in the family. I have 9 years old daughter. I work as a helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I take care a newborn baby and the kindergarten. The kindergarten, he stay in the school for few hours in the morning, so I need to bath him, prepare his uniform, serve his food. I carry his bag, I hold his hand, and we walk together to his school. I fetch him after 4 hours. And the newborn baby, I prepare his milk, clean his bottles, help him to sleep. I carry him. I change his diaper and clothes. I also do household chores just like cleaning, washing, and ironing. I want to work Hong Kong to save money for my daughter, for her studies, and also for my family. I am hardworking. I am patient. I'm willing to learn the Hong Kong procedures. Ma'am and sir, please hire me. I hope you like me. Thank you for listening for my self-introduction. Have a good day.